hello you beautiful lot. I'm back with another Charlie's haul. I have no idea what I ordered because I can't remember. So we're just going to have a wee look and see what's here. As usual, I'll tip it out and then I'll go and get it organised into wee bundles and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm sorted. So we're going to go through embellishments first. So I've ordered these tiny wee reindeer. They're absolutely gorgeous. I didn't realise they were so small. They're going to be brilliant. I was worried about how I was going to get them on with gel polish, but they're going to be brilliant because they're nice and small and petite, but you don't lose any of the definition of them. You can still see exactly what it is. So I got them. I got the bunny heads because I hadn't ordered them yet. And I know Easter's nearly done for this year, but it means I've got them for next year. Getting ahead with the game. Ordered these wee cameo things. Just you never know when you're going to be doing a classic design that would look good with a cameo, eh? So, got that. Got the black teardrop gems. They're flat backed, so they're easy to use. You don't have to embed them. They can just go on with a glue or maybe even a top coat. The black daisies, how cool are they? Actual black daisies with a yellow middle. Love them. And I got these wee things. I've got them in the cream white type colour and they're lovely. So I bought the black ones as well. Not sure what I'll use them for, but I've got a couple of ideas formulating in my head for a few of the things that I've bought. So we'll see. So that's all those embellishments. I've got another couple of multi-packs. I've got the seaside one with the wee shells, the big shells, the conch shells, starfish, feathers and seahorses. And I also got this one. This is just so cool. I love the stars. So I've got loads of neon shapes because I know I have a neon collab coming up very, very soon. So I want to be well prepared for that, and I think now I am. I've got that. I've got the neon glitter. I've also got pigments. So I should be set. I've also got the Beetle neon set coming today, I think. So that's all for those. Moving on, no, we'll leave the glitters to last. I got a shit ton of nail wraps and water decals because I'm loving them at the moment. So I got the palm trees, thought they were really cool. I got Audrey Hepburn, because let's face it, she is cool. These flowers are lovely. I don't know if the camera's going to pick up all the details in these ones, but they're so nice. And then I've got this. Butterflies on roses, but the butterflies are kind of like, they're not completely opaque, they're lovely, quite unusual. Day of the Dead decals, in fact I've got 2 packets of them but different styles. So we have those, because I think you can do a really pretty design with them. We got Marilyn Monroe, couldn't get Audrey without Marilyn really, could we? I think they're new, because I can't remember seeing them before. But I just never know because I don't pay that much attention. I got these preparing for later on in the year because I love my leaf decals. I used loads last year. These butterfly ones, they are lovely. They're so pretty. It's different butterflies on each wrap, but the colours are just so vibrant. Absolutely gorgeous. I got Pink Blossom just because I thought you could add that to really anything. As a surround, you can just cut out what you need. I got these because I thought they were kind of cute. Again, for later on in the year, getting organised. I'm not sure how many of these I'll be going in giveaways. I might keep some, I might give some away, I don't know. These are the same. Happy Halloween, Halloween party. I love the hand. Love that. So we've got them. I got these ones with a deer in the forest and the wee cottage, and look at the snowman. It's so cute. And I got these Paris nail wraps. I thought they were so nice. I have the wee Eiffel Tower embellishments, the silver embellishments. So I thought about maybe doing a design incorporating them maybe. So we shall see. Right, finally onto the glitter and sequins that I got. Let's put the sequins at the back. So the glitters I got this time round is Purple Dream. It's beautiful. It's an ultrafine metallic and it's so nice. I can't wait to burnish that. It's going to be gorgeous. And I got Blue Crushed Shale. Now, I was worried that the bits were going to be really big and they were going to need to be done with either a builder gel or a poly gel, or what's the other thing that I didn't use? Aye, that. But that is going to be usable with gel polish. It's not too big, they're not sharp. I mean, don't get me wrong, they're not tiny. You can see that it's crushed shell, and I don't know if the camera's picking up. Can you see the colour shift on them? It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I got the purple rhombus because I've got a couple of the other colours and I love them. But again, there's loads and loads in there, so I'll probably keep that much and the rest it'll go in a giveaway. And I also got these circle spangles. You get the circles, but you get the inside that's been cut out as well. So you've got solid circles and hollow circles. And I just thought they were pretty cool. I like the reflection on some of them as well. So that's everything I bought myself. I also ordered some PR samples because it's that time of the month. Right, look at these, the cherry blossoms. Love them. Love them. No, I'm not a fan of birds, but they're beautiful. You can't deny that. Absolutely beautiful. So I've got them to try. I got the big, long teardrop things, jewels for doing placements. So I'm looking forward to making a wee cluster with them because I really need to work on my placements. Got the unicorns. Oh my god, they are so adorable. Absolutely adorable. So I got them. Believe it or not, I've actually already placed another order and I ordered them. We've got blossom glitter sequins. Look at these. They're gorgeous. Can you see is the camera picking it up? I think so. It's stunning. They're like reflecting gold, but none of them are actually gold coloured. It's amazing. You've got green and blue and purple and pink, but when you move it, they all turn gold when they catch the light. It's absolutely amazing. This is one of our new glitters. It's called Spring Meadow. Look at that, it has got chunkier pieces in it, so it's a multi-mix. It is absolutely gorgeous. Oh look, I think that's like, I don't know if that's supposed to be like half a cracked egg or like a dinosaur foot or something. Can you see that? Is the camera picking it up? I don't know, but I like it. I love the iridescence. I got these nail wraps. Look at them, the tropical flowers. Oh my goodness. They're gorgeous. I don't know if my nails are about the right length for them now actually, because most of you know I'm working on my natural nails at the moment. And lastly, I got a new foil to try. It doesn't say what this is, but you can see it's got circles on it and it's holographic and it's blue and it's just yummy. So that's my Charlie's haul for just now. As I say, I have got another one coming, so we'll be having more soon. Let me know what you like best out here. Let me know if you're going to buy anything. Let me know what you don't like. And that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Haha, fooled you, we're not quite finished yet. This came and I figured I would just put this haul in with the other one to create one big haul rather than making two separate videos. What do you think? Well, too late now anyway because I'm doing it. So let me get this open, organised and sorted, and we'll go through it and see what I got this time. Okay, I'm sorted. So we're going to start off with embellishments. Ordered mermaids. They're pretty cute. I ordered these wee owls. At first I wasn't going to get them because I hate birds. I'm absolutely petrified of birds. And for that reason I wasn't going to buy these wee owls. But then when I saw them in other people's hauls and saw how cute they were, I had to have them. These wee skeletons, I saw them in Karina's haul and they're adorable. So I got them. And I got 3 sets of skulls. I got the silver, gold, and I got these bronze ones which are slightly different. So I'm getting stuff organised for Halloween sets. Or even just romantic skull sets, because I'm really into the skull decals at the moment. So that's the embellishments that aren't flowers. I've kind of went a wee bit flower crazy. these ones, they do come in more colours, but this is the ones I ordered. So I got the pink and the orange, and these are, they're like jelly colours. They're lovely, kind of neon-y jelly. And they've got the sparkle in the middle. You know, everybody loves a bit of sparkle. So to have flowers and sparkle on the one, yeah, I was really chuffed with them. They're even nicer when you get them because I didn't realise they were jelly. And when you see them, they're so cool. Absolutely lovely. So that's those ones. I also ordered these ones, the roses. I got pink, red and black. They're lovely, they're flat back. So easy enough to stick on. Obviously they're not encapsulated, they're designed to be embellishments. The black ones are absolutely gorgeous and I've already got an idea for them in my mind. So you'll probably see them very, very soon. That's those ones. I also got more of these. I've got the peach and the white. Now I can't remember if I got white the last time or peach the last time. I just wanted them because they're gorgeous. If I have them already in my collection, these will be going in a giveaway, but I can't remember if I've ordered them or not. So I've got them. I'm sorry if I sound a bit funny, I'm really cold just now with a stupid cough. And I got slightly bigger roses as well. I got the blue, the turquoise and the lilac. They're just slightly bigger than these ones. Not by a lot. Oops. But they're a bigger version and they're lovely. So I wanted to make sure I had roses for every eventuality. So we've got some big ones as well. So that's my embellishments done. Let's go into glitter and sequins. Look at this. This is called Festival Fever and it's a 4-gram bag. Now I don't know if you'll see it, but there's actual strands in there as well as glitter. There's strands. It's absolutely lovely. And I'll wait till I get it in a pot or in a glitter tray because it needs to be mixed up a bit. You can't really see the full effect of the glitter until it gets mixed up. So I'll do that and I'll try and remember to swatch it on something and take a picture for the end of the video. But I may forget because it's me. I've got a couple more packs of the rhombus stuff. I've got the black and the pink because I'm really enjoying how they look in different manis right now. So I wanted to have as much colours as possible. So I've got those to add to the ones I've already got. I think the other colours were out of stock when I tried to order and that's why I've only got these two. Or maybe I've got all the other ones and I just didn't realise. So yeah, that's the rhombus. And I ordered this wee pack in netting. It's a multi-pack. Now this is only, I think it's £2.29 for the 6-pack. So you're getting one of every colour. Now with netting, you're not going to use a heck of a lot. At least I won't. I know I won't. But it can be really effective in designs. So you get the white, the pink. So that was the wrong order. Blue, a silver metallic-y grey, black and the purple. I know who'll like that one. But yeah, so I thought it'd be handy just to have a wee bit of each colour because you never know what's going to come up. When you're doing collabs and that all the time, you never know what you're going to need and when you're going to need it. So I got a couple of more packs of decals. These ones, I just thought these were so pretty. And I know they look really similar to other ones I have, but I'm drawn to the same kind of things. And I just think these are lovely. Yeah, so got those ones. And then I got purple flowers. These aren't actually for me, they're going in friend mail. But I thought they were gorgeous with the different colours in them. So pretty. And then I got these are for me, the tropical ones. I love the pineapple. I think that's so cool. So yeah, that's my water decals for this haul. And I got 3 foils. Now, I already have this stuff, but I wanted more because it is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, you can see just through the bag what it's like when you move it in the light. So you can imagine what it's like on the nail with a top coat on it. It's absolutely beautiful. And I ordered this. I could have got this as a PR, but I wanted the full strip of it, so I ordered it in a separate order. None of this stuff's PR, by the way. This is all stuff that I ordered myself because I wanted it. So we've got that one. I think that's quite cool. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to use it for yet, but I have got a slight idea in my head. And then I've got the pink one, the scattered glitter. Is it scattered glitter? Shattered glitter maybe? because look at the effect of that. You get purple, you get blue, you're getting red, you're getting pink. It's gorgeous. So that's my foils. And finally, I bought some doubles of stuff that I already have because I wanted to put them in a giveaway because I like them so much. So I've got a wee set of those skeletons because they're just so cute. So they'll be going in a giveaway coming up to Halloween. I've got another set of the wee pianos. They're so cute. And they're literally pennies. So to have things that you can use in collabs if something comes up, I think it's so worth picking them up. And I bought another pack of unicorns. They'll be going in a giveaway. Again, I'm not sure when my giveaways are going to start up again. Obviously, this silly virus posting nail art isn't an essential trip, so I'm not sure I'd get away with going to the post office every couple of weeks. So I got more unicorns. I got these butterfly ones specifically with somebody in mind, so I'm not sure if they're going in a giveaway or if they're going in friend mail. I haven't decided yet, but they are absolutely gorgeous. And I've got another one of these because they're just so cool. So that's more for later on in the year for my giveaways. I'm getting so organised, it's unbelievable. So that brings us to the end of yet another wee haul. What do you think? Have you got any of this stuff? Are you going to buy any of this stuff? What's your favourite? Have you been shopping on Charlie's? Remember the discount codes. There's several you can use. By the way, just to clarify things, that the codes we put out, they're not affiliate codes. We don't make any money or commission off them. They're solely to give you a wee bit money off your order. So don't think that we're pushing codes on you because we're getting benefit from it, because we don't. It's solely for you. It's a gift for you from Charlie. So you can have a discount on your orders. So there we go. Let me know what you think down below. I'm sorry if this was longer than you really wanted to watch, but I did think it was better just to put the two hauls into one video. So thank you so very much for watching. See you in the next one.